tell us about LawFlip and I guess more how that came about and how some attorneys are using it. I mean, you shared a couple examples of attorneys that were referring big cases on there.
Yeah, so LawFlip is a lawyer-to-lawyer referral platform. Basically, I built it for myself. I had a law partner, and when we first started our partnership, I just knew that we were going to be getting a lot of business that we wouldn't be able to handle ourselves. And this is a common problem. That's why the California state bar encourages and sanctions the sharing of referral fees, because the challenge is that lawyers, as we've talked about, value their time a lot, so much they charge a lot up for their hourly fees. And what happens is you get a referral. John Smith comes in the door and they need a referral for an employment attorney, and you handle personal injury. You don't handle employment. How much time are you going to want to spend on referring it out, even if it's a friend of yours? Like you have to make a living, so you have to charge your hourly rate, and you're trying to bill, but you have to. It's just hard. So you send an email to the one person that you know that does it. They're in Cabo. Hey, I don't know anybody else that can do it. And that's a common theme. It's just and there's 120 plus practice areas. So you're basically being asked all the time to not only do your practice area, but people come to you for these different practice areas, and you throw your hands up. There's 50 states. There's 120 plus practice areas. I need this lawyer that does this in this state. What I found was that I wanted to create a more efficient way to deal with referrals. And so I created this platform, and we have hundreds of attorneys. You post a lead. So, let's say somebody comes to me and they want an estate planning attorney. They come to me and I say, hey, I don't do estate planning. Let me see who in my network is open to doing it. You post the lead. And you say estate planning attorney in California needed. And then you have several estate planning attorneys in California who raise their hand, sort of apply and say, yeah, I'm interested. And then I just posted that lead. I get to look at the different estate planning attorneys who applied and see which one is the best credentialed attorney to handle the case. And then the platform basically facilitates the ability for the referral to be made, as well as ethically documenting the referral fee. And it's just pretty amazing.
So say that was a client came to you. So you put it on LawFlip.
Yeah.
And then I go and I bid on it as one of the estate planning attorneys and say, I want to do it, or...
Bidding is definitely not like I know some.
Or what's the lingo? I've been in there once.
Bidding, sure. But like you basically raise your hand and you say, I'm open to working on that case, and you apply.
Or apply. Yeah, I guess is the word.
Yeah. Bidding. I mean, you can call it bid. It's fine.
So I apply and say, yeah, I can do that. And I believe the software, doesn't it say like the fee, like what you're willing to pay as far as referral fee, and it has all of that.
Yeah, and it has your profile, so like people can look at your profile and say, oh, cool, this person, graduated this school and they look like they're competent. I've now looked at their website and everything, and let me refer to this person. And then there's a messaging system in there to say, hey, you seem like a good fit. Okay, cool, that referral fee sounds good. Let me connect you with the client right now. It basically takes an existing habit, which we already do, which is like how we connect clients with potential referring attorneys. I mean, it just makes it more efficient, and it makes it easier to refer the case. And you're not on like groups and random email lists trying to like find a referral.
That's a challenge. There's so many places you get messages from now, right? I try to tell everyone to go, just email me, but you got Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, LinkedIn.
Well, that's part of using Zapier to have all those things go to one place.
Yeah. There you go. That's a good zap. I could help my life.
That's a common one. That's a pretty common one.
Yeah. So the LawFlip would share the details then. So I apply, you send it to me, and then you would just share the details. Like, here it is. It's John Smith. Here's his phone number. Give him a call.
Yeah. And we're in the platform itself. We're certainly in the revenue stage, but like our main goal right now is to grow the network as big as possible because it's a marketplace. So you need buyers and sellers, and all lawyers are both buyers and sellers. It's a lawyer only platform, but all the lawyers on the platform can apply and get leads, and all the lawyers on the platform can refer leads out. And so right now, for the next 3 months, we're actually not charging anything to be on the platform. We have a handshake agreement that if you sign up a case, you're paying $99 to the platform, but we're gonna be shifting towards a monthly subscription. But right now, for the next 3 months, it's better than free. You're getting a lot of value out of this product for essentially nothing right now. But the only way that we spent hundreds of thousands of dollars building out the product. The way that it's been able to sustain is it's helped us in our own practice, getting business and referring out business. And I think I told you a story. My old law partner, he referred a class action case in a minute. He didn't even do it. His staff did it, that he didn't want to handle. And the case settled for $2 million. And he's getting I think a $200,000 referral fee on a case where he didn't want to handle it. His staff posted it. In a couple minutes, somebody applied for it, and he successfully referred it to a lawyer that he wouldn't have referred it to otherwise. That lawyer then settled the class action case for $2 million. That fee is going to be something like $600,000 or $700,000, and then my friend is getting I think a 25% or 30% referral fee of that for like a minute or a few minutes work.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
The platform will get $100.
Yeah, the platform for all of that benefit is getting $100, but that's just right now. We're gonna eventually. I mean, we're never gonna be. The platform is never. I shouldn't say never, but it's unlikely that we'll ever be able to charge enough for the value that we're bringing. I just would encourage anybody to bring their circle of friends into LawFlip, sign up. It's free right now. Once you start building out once we have the user base grown enough in any particular practice area or state, it becomes an incredible tool. My team uses it all day, every day. It's incredible.
I do estate planning, but the challenge like you described is sometimes your phone rings for stuff that you don't do, and you're spending all this money in marketing, and it's like, all right, is there any way to cash in on this? But at the same time, you don't want to spend a lot of time. So that's where this makes a lot of sense, is if it's quick and easy.
Yeah, and you could feel like you're exhausting the effort for the client, and you want to get a good lawyer to help this client. That's one of the challenges with the legal system, is like you want a quarterback to be able to go help you navigate and find the right attorney for you. That's why the state bars encourage referral fees. They want lawyers to help consumers find the right attorneys.
Yeah, that's good to hear in California. I'm a California lawyer too. Yeah. In Arizona, they got rid of the rules. They got rid of the rule that says you can't pay referral fees, is what they did.
They got rid of the rule entirely.
Yeah, they got rid of the rule. So you can pay non-attorneys referral fees in Arizona.
That's insane. There's a person that I know, actually, Arizona now allows for non-lawyers to own law firms.
Yes.
That's just insane.
I think Utah's done some things as well, too.
Arizona and Utah, those are the two places.
But I think that's our future. Unfortunately, it's a little scary.
These ridiculous situations where people are being, priced out of being able to hire attorneys, it's just going to change. The whole model is going to change.
Yeah, the future that I see for law is it's going to be more niche based. It's a lot easier for guys like you and I to run their own law firm. 20 years ago, it would have been way more expensive. Mm-hmm. We have like a server and a law library and
right.
All those things.
You need a laptop,
an iPhone. You could probably get it done. Well, thanks, Benji. Thanks for your time today. So LawFlip.com, is that how attorneys reach out there?
For free the next 3 months. It's a no-brainer. LawFlip.com, sign up. I'll approve you as long as you're a licensed attorney in any of the 50 states.
Yeah, well, thanks for your time today, Benji. It's been fun talking law on the business side. And
thanks for having me.
Yeah, everyone make sure you go check out LawFlip if you're an attorney. I look forward to making some referral fees on there. Things do come through that you can't handle. Yeah. And this is helpful for your clients too. It's a service for your client by doing this. So
100%. Great talking to you.
All right, thanks. We'll see you next time.